First, we have to open the Google Chrome. Now we are searching for USA Visa Slot Extension. Then click on the first option, check US Visa Slot page. Next, scrolling down, finding a page called Add to Chrome button. Then Add to Chrome. Extension is being added. Please wait and it should be success. The extension has been added to the Chrome. Now RP is asking for an access code. As we don't have access code, so we have to enter our details. We have to, it takes some time. We have to enter our email ID, next our name. So here I'm entering my email ID. Once I'm done, I will enter my name. Then I have to click the next button. Then we have to click select visa type. So it should be F1 or B1 anything. So I'm clicking for the F1 and it should be regular, not Dropbox. Then click the next. Then we have to go for the option 1, usvisascheduling.com. Then country is India. Then go for the next. Then we have to type your Hokkien noted. Then we have to enter our phone number. Then we have to accept the terms and conditions. Then we have to click the submit. Once the registration is complete, we have to check our emails. So this is the email which I got from them for the access code. Next, US visa scheduling. Then you have to click for the first option. Then enter the extension. Have to enter the access code which we got on email. Then we can see the available slots.